So today I'm going to be doing a really exciting video, and I'm going to be unboxing an eBay mystery box. I'm literally so excited to unbox this. So this box was like £11 including postage and everything, and it says it comes with 5+ makeup product. And if you haven't already, then subscribe for more kind of videos like this. For some reason I'm like really like scared. Like, I'm just going to shut my eyes and just go inside of the box and see what I get inside. Oh, it comes with a note. Okay. Happy New Year, thanks for buying. I hope you love everything. Check out my other bundles and get a free gift on your next one. So that's quite cute that it comes with a little note. Oh my god, okay, right. I'm gonna put my hand in, and we have, so an Almay Ideal Gloss. I have literally never tried anything from Almay. It's in the shade 350 Wine Shimmer. Oh, that actually looks really nice, like that shade. I'll actually wear this. That's so good. Yeah, that's a nice colour, and I'll definitely get some use out of that. So I have Rimmel Kate Moss eyeshadow stick. It's in 103 Pure Turquoise. I don't think I would wear this as an eyeshadow. I think I'd more wear this as like an eyeliner, and it's actually quite creamy as well. I got a Wet n Wild lipstick. Never actually tried anything from like Wet n Wild. So this is a Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Moody Mauve Attitude. Looks like this. It's more of like a shiny lipstick. I'm excited to try this because I've literally never tried anything from Wet n Wild before, so that's actually quite interesting. Feels like I have like loads more things in. Okay, take more of this out. Okay, I've got a lip liner from Margaret Astor in the shade 019 Blossom. Quite a tough pencil. I'm still going to use it because it's like a nice nude shade. So I've got a NYX blush in here. This is in the shade Desert Rose, and that actually looks like a blush shade I would use. I'm quite impressed with this, that they put a NYX product in. So I've got a Rimmel London Show Off Lip Velvet in the shade 405 Orange. So it's a matte lipstick. Oh, that looks like a really nice shade. So I don't know if it like dries down because it says a lip velvet, but it's this one here shade. I haven't got anything like this, so definitely gonna like try this one out. So more tissue paper. Oh, what is this? And now I've got a collection limited edition Mardi Gras lip balm. Oh, that smells like it's orange. It smells quite nice. So I mean, there's nothing much to say about a lip balm, but yeah. Then I got a Maybelline eyeshadow in the shade 13 Sultry Sand. I'm not sure if you can still get this one. I'm just going to swatch it for you. But this looks actually quite nice. It's like a champagne-y eyeshadow colour. Just going to swatch it. That feels quite nice. Yeah, I mean, it's more of a subtle eyeshadow. And then the last thing, I've got a CoverGirl. That's really interesting. A CoverGirl Flamed Out Shadow Pencil. It doesn't have a shade. Oh, it's in the shade Melted Caramel Flame. Quite creamy. It's like a brownie. I don't know how to describe this shade. It looks more gold in the pencil, but it's more of a brownie shimmery shade. I'll use it for more like smoky eyes and things like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go over all of the things. Overall, I got 9 things, which is so good. My favourite things in here were the NYX blush and the Wet n Wild lipstick, because I've never really tried Wet n Wild. I don't know where my other one went, so I'm excited to have it back. And obviously you get different things in each box, so I can't guarantee that that's the things that you'll get in your box, but I'll definitely link down below where I got this package. This is my video unboxing an eBay makeup mystery box. I don't know whether I buy another one again, but if you would like to see me open another mystery box, then give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you want, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.